Welcome to the C++ tutorial for math beginners. There's no prerequisite for this tutorial. What you have to do is just watching the videos. The book I'm going to refer is the 9th edition of C++ from Control Structures through Objects, but I do not require you to buy the book. I will explain only necessities in the book, excluding unimportant things. In this video, we're going to talk about two things. First, what is programming, what is C++, and why are we studying it? Second, how do we install code blocks and what is code blocks? So, what is programming? Wikipedia says the definition of programming is coding, modeling, simulating, or presenting the solutions to a problem by representing facts, data, or information using predefined rules and semantics on a computer or any other device for automation. What we're gonna do here is learning basics of coding. What is C++? C++ is an object-oriented programming language, and it is considered to be an intermediate level language. C++ is used in games, graphic user interface-based applications, web browsers, database software, operating systems, etc. Why are we studying C++? C++ is easy to learn for beginners, and it is also a very hard one to master. Spending time on C++ before going to other programming languages will help you a lot. Before we start coding, we have to download codeblocks, an integrated development environment, shortly IDE, which we will use for this tutorial. IDE is a software suite that consolidates the basic tools developers need to write and test software. Typically, an IDE contains a code editor, a compiler or interpreter, and a debugger that the developer accesses through a single graphical user interface. I will give you the simplest way to download code blocks. To download code blocks, go to this link. If you go to this link, you're gonna find files, code blocks files for Windows, but you also can choose files for Mac. Among those files, you have to choose this one. This is the file provided for convenience to users that are allergic against installers. However, it will not allow to select plugins and features, but plugins and features are the ones that confuses you a lot, so this file is what you want to choose. After 5 seconds, the download will start. After the download is completed, this file will appear. What you have to do is right-click the file and then extract the file. After extracting the file, you will have this file, which is the extracted version of this file. And then what you want to do is copy this file and then put it into the C drive. Go in and then select this one. And in a short while, code blocks will open. Yeah, we're all set. But we have to create shortcut for this, and then what we have to do is right-clicking the file, this icon, and then press create shortcut, and then just drag this shortcut to the background, or like here in the Windows, or pin this here. then you can open it with a shortcut as well. That's it for today. So far, we have launched and opened codeblocks successfully. In the next tutorial, we will start coding. Was it helpful? If so, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.